In this video, we are unboxing and demonstrating a radar hole punch toolkit. This is an automotive radar sensor dedicated hole punch tool set. The main purpose of this tool is to precisely create installation holes on automotive bumpers and plastic body panels for reverse radar sensors and parking sensors. Compared to using regular drill bits for hole cutting and punching, it creates clean holes without burrs, accurate hole size without damaging the workpiece, tools used together with the radar hole punch set, electric drill, 12mm wrench, 13mm wrench. This is an 8mm pilot drill bit. This tool is used before punching to pre-drill the hole location on the bumper, secure the punch position, prevent the punch mold from shifting during operation, provide a passage for the pull rod through the workpiece, ensure concentric hole alignment, avoid crooked hole positions. This tool is the punch pull rod. Its function is the core force transmitting component of the entire tool set. During use, the pull rod passes through the pre-drilled pilot hole. Punch dies and receiver dies of the corresponding size are installed on both sides. Tighten the nut with a wrench. Use pulling force to press the punch die into the mold. Directly punch a standard round hole into the workpiece. To make precise burr-free hole cutting without edge cracking, multiple sizes of punch die sets. The dies are divided into punch dies and receiver dies. The two correspond to each other. Different sizes fit different reverse radar sensor sizes. This is the core component that determines the hole diameter. Next, we will demonstrate the assembly and operation of the tool. Now we will show you how to use this tool. Install the 8mm pilot drill bit from the kit. Onto the drill. Begin drilling. Align with the desired hole location, slightly enlarge the hole. Clean away the surrounding debris. After the pilot hole is completed, select the correct size according to the radar sensor. First, take out the die set. 3 pieces form one set. These 3 pieces form one set. These 3 pieces form one set. First, insert the base through the bolt. Then install the receiver die according to the radar size. Pass it through the hole. Install the size marked punch die on the inner side, also selected according to the inner size. Thread on the nut. Use a 12mm wrench and a 13mm wrench. Tighten the installed punch die set. Place the 12mm wrench on the bolt side. Place the 13mm wrench on the nut side. Rotate the nut side. Once you hear a popping sound, the hole is complete. Next, remove the die set. Finished radar sensor hole display. You can see there is no paint damage and no burrs.